Hello and welcome to Back to Coding. In the previous video, we saw mutable map in Kotlin. In this video, we will see hash map in Kotlin. Hash map class is a type of map which is a hash table based implementation of the mutable map interface. This implementation doesn't guarantee of the order of keys, values and entries collections. That is, it doesn't maintain insertion order. We can create a hash map using the constructor or by using hash map of function of Kotlin's hash map class. First, let's create our hash map using constructor of hash map class. Let's see it practically. This is how we declare the hash map using constructor. Let's add some records into it. Now let's print them. This is one way to create hash map. Now let's see it using the hash map of function in Kotlin. A hash map of function is a function of hash map class. It returns a new hash map with the pairs of data in the form of key and a value. This is how it is declared. And also, this is the second way to create a hash map. Let's see it practically. Here, as you can see, only a single line needs to be changed. That is, instead of using constructor, we are using hash map of function. Also, here we have passed a single entry of Bill Gates during declaration itself. And as you can see here in the output, it has added Bill Gates to our hash map. And similar to map and mutable map which we saw in our previous videos, we have functions in the hash map class as well. Here's the list of some of the functions available in the hash map class. All these functions are already discussed in our previous videos. The functionality of these functions is the same as map and mutable map, so there's no point in repeating all those things again. That's it for this video. Please give it a like and comment down your thoughts below. And don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.